It just ended for some reason. My live video just ended for some reason. I don't know how. Some technical glitch happened, maybe. I have no idea. My live video just ended abruptly. I was trying to add Divya and it ended. मेरे बहुत दोस्त हैं जो पबजी खेलते हैं एंड आप में से काफ़ी लोग उनको जानते हो बहुत अच्छे से. उनमें से काफ़ी लोग आर मेंट known for playing. So I'll probably add them very soon, and we can all play PUBG Mobile together. I can't
Hi!
believe this. I can't believe this. You're in the same house, Divya. You're one door away.
I wanted to come and disturb you and talk something about girlfriends whose boyfriends are playing PUBG and whose boyfriends are too much into video games. So I just wanted to tell you girls that you all can spend a lot of time at home with yourself, do your beauty things, you know. मतलब ये सब कर सकते हो तुम. तो boys can play PUBG and girls can do all of this.
So you're like saying it on the live on MTV India that I'm allowed to play PUBG whenever I can.
Yes, you are allowed. This is noted. Aditya
MTV, we
is
are going to have
podcast.
multiple lives very soon. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी स्ट्रीम करने वाले हैं. बहुत guys, don't worry.
Please do
I'll
that.
create a room. बहुत जल्द हम लोग 2 से ज्यादा गेम खेलेंगे इस बार. We can play the entire night. Imagine.
है ना? Exactly. तो फिर वो कर लो और अभी तुम बात करो. Okay, bye.
Bye. अच्छा हो गया. End हो गया. I've got a free pass to play PUBG. Since lockdown चल रहा है and we don't have a lot of things to entertain ourselves. Gaming is one thing that I have been doing a lot. So we decided to game with you guys and stream it on MTV India's Facebook page. I hope you guys enjoy the stream. The people who were playing with me, they had a lot of fun, and they have added me on PUBG, so I might play with them when I'm not even streaming. So it was like very interactive, too much fun. As soon as the video goes live, I can tell you guys, so you can tune into MTV India's Facebook page and watch it. Bro, your PUBG name, my PUBG name is visible on the stream. You can go watch the stream when it's out. It's going to be out in a few minutes. जब बाहर आएगा, then you can go watch it. Surprisingly, जब we talk about PUBG, तो हम लोग ये बोलते हैं कि लड़कियां इतना PUBG नहीं खेलती. But आज I saw a lot of girls who were in the room, and they had paired up with their squad, and they came.
Hi.
You were right, exactly. You were right here.
सोचो हम इतना स्पेशल लाइव कर रहे हैं कि मतलब मैं ऐसे भी आ रही हूँ और ऐसे भी आ रही हूँ. है ना?
वाह.
Thanks.
कमाल हो, कमाल.
Thanks.
Okay. Accept करोगे PUBG request? मैंने I think आज I got over I think 150 requests and मैंने ज़्यादातर सबकी request accept करी है. So next time I'm playing, if I like, usually I don't have a squad to play, but now my squad will increase and I can play with you guys also. So that's one thing that I'm looking forward for. Just make sure that whenever I post a story or MTV India posts a story about the room, or they tell you about ki room ki ID, room ka password और room का number कब आने वाला है. तो stay with your phone, keep checking the story. You can put the notification on if you want, and you'll get the notification so you can update and fadafad enter the room and play with me. But it's not only me. In the future, there'll be a lot of other people who you know. They'll come and they'll play with you guys. I feel PUBG Mobile is one game that has changed the gaming scene. and probably everybody I know play PUBG. So that's why MTV took this initiation of being more connected to you guys. All right. PUBG name जाके अभी आपको मेरा stream देखना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पर you'll get to know my PUBG name and the squad I usually play with. So ये जो दो लोग मेरे साथ खेल रहे थे, जिनको मैं पहले से जानता था, ये मेरे बचपन के दोस्त है. एंड हमारे बीच में जो बैंटर हुआ है, ओके जो हमारे बीच में बैंटर हुआ था वो काफी अच्छा है, बिकॉज आई हैव नोन देम फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 12 इयर्स. 12 साल से वो मेरे दोस्त है. एंड मैंने उनकी टांग खींची, उन लोगों ने मेरी टांग खींची. सो you'll get to know a lot more things about me. You'll get to know things about my school, my childhood, and a lot of other things.
I'll be the number one player of PUBG.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, wait. Get out. I'm learning this very quickly, huh, Divya? आपके स्ट्रीम का नाम, जिसको स्ट्रीम देखना है, आपने पिछले लाइव में मेरा नाम लिया था, प्रथम सूद. मुझे याद है. आपको अगर स्ट्रीम देखना है तो जब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि गो टू MTV इंडियाज फेसबुक पेज, यू कैन गो वॉच इट देयर. वहां पर बहुत जल्द स्ट्रीम आने वाला है. जस्ट बीइंग सेट. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
मैंने नहीं फेंका, वो अपने आप उड़ के आया.
राइट, क्योंकि सुपरमैन है. वाओ. I need to get Divya on PUBG ताकि वो खेल सके and I can do this. I can talk to you guys. क्योंकि वो शांत नहीं बैठेगी. Just a few more minutes. It'll be live. It'll be ready. And I'll be asking you guys how it was. And I'll be telling you guys how you can play in my squad. Because बहुत टाइम से लोगों को पता है कि मैं PUBG खेलता हूँ, मुझसे मेरे साथ खेलना चाहते हैं. And I want to play with you guys. I want to interact. Even I want. You guys can tell Divya to play PUBG, and maybe one day she can play with me. I can obviously help her out a little, but I think she should play. I have sent you a friend request. You could add me as a friend. I'll do that, bro. I'll do that as soon. You're gonna throw something.
No, अरे अपने आप उड़ के आया.
हाँ, अपना पढ़ो.
I know one game to play.
What game do you want to play? That is no game. That is no game. No. What are you doing?
Do this. Stress
Don't.
कम होगा तुम्हारा.
मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं है लाइफ में. मैं गेमिंग कर रहा हूँ यार पूरे लॉकडाउन में. मुझे और क्या चाहिए? There's so many things happening on MTV India right now. MTV After Hours, every day they're playing a different game, which is enjoyable, which is very simple to play. And then Hustle is on. Then the Roadies auditions are being taken live. Aj I was watching a few things, and it is so interactive and it is so much fun. You could get to vote for your favorite person. एक तो ये अजीब टॉयज में लाके क्यों देता हूँ उसको यार? Why do I get her such stupid toys? If you're not on Facebook, you can make a new account. That is very easy to make. You can follow and like MTV India on Facebook and like the stream, share it with your friends. And stay tuned because I'll be telling you guys very soon how you can join easier and faster than everybody else. How you can also be featured in that game by being on the Zoom call. So what we are doing is that whoever's playing with us, whoever will play with us in the future, amongst you guys. I will be video calling you guys, and we'll be playing PUBG on the mobile, and there'll be a camera that'll be recording you. So like that, even your face will be visible on the stream. So that's the plan. What are you doing, man?
You
Divya?
look nice with this.
No, I don't look nice like this. What are you?
I want to eat dinner.
Don't eat. We will eat dinner. We'll eat dinner. But haven't you eaten anything yet?
No.
Don't throw it out at me. Don't. You don't throw it at me. Huh. What's your username on Twitter? It is vsood12. Save this life. Yes, I will. So I was saying that in the future, जो आगे की हमारी stream होने वाले हैं, वहाँ पर I'll be telling you guys how you can join me on a Zoom call, and your face will also be visible on the stream. So it'll be a cool thing. It'll be a really cool thing. We'll talk. We'll FaceTime. FaceTime as in we'll talk on Zoom call, and we'll play PUBG. The interaction and the coordination will become a lot better if you do it like that. Hello, hello. A lot of new people joining in now. How to be in your team? In my team, I'll be telling you guys how you can join my team. For that, you need to follow MTV. I think by in a day or two, I'll be telling you guys how you can be in my team and how you can be on the video call also, so that your face is also visible on the live, on the stream, which will happen and take place on MTV India's Facebook page. उसकी डिटेल्स मैं बहुत जल्द बताऊंगा. MTV इंडिया आपको बहुत जल्द बताएगी. तो इस पेज को फॉलो करो एंड कीप द नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन ताकि आपको अपडेट आ सके. एंड यू गाइस आर फास्ट एंड क्विक इनफ टू रिएक्ट टू इट. यू विल नॉट डू दैट. नहीं चाहिए टचअप. मुझे मैं नहीं लगा था यार. मैं नहीं लगा था मेकअप.
पता है मुझे.
मैं हम PUBG के बारे में बात करें. वी नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट ऐप. क्या कर रहे हो यार? हाँ, मेरे बहुत दोस्त जिनको आप जान, आई वोंट टेक नेम्स, यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट्स राइट हियर, जिनको आप जानते हो जो लोग PUBG खेलते हैं, बहुत ऑफन खेलते हैं, उनको भी ट्राई करेंगे लाने के लिए ताकि me, that other person, and two of you can be in one squad and play. Really trying to make that streaming experience and the PUBG experience more happening and more fun for you guys, ताकि आपका लॉकडाउन थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाए. So अभी क्या लाए हो यार?
How can I add you in PUBG?
It's not on the camera. अब देखो अपने कैमरे में देखो. हाँ.
How can I add you in PUBG?
You can't.
Don't throw that. सब चीजें फेंक.
Divya is on a different level today. She is on a different level. I'm planning PUBG. Whenever you're planning, man, थोड़ा सब्र करो क्योंकि I want most of you to eventually play with me. Ran Bhai also started PUBG. We did a stream long time back, and he's getting used to it. So I hope I can convince him to play one more time. The last time we played 3 games, Ran Bhai and me, and we came first all 3 times. So I hope I can convince him again to play. My voice is not coming. Is my voice okay, Divya?
Yes.
Okay. Sohail तो definitely आने वाला है. So Sohail and me did the trial run for.
तुम तैयार होके लाइव पे जाना चाहिए ना.
Shia, Divya, that went in my mouth. Okay. So Sohail and me, we did the trial for this, and he's not a bad player. So I hope when he gets free from his games, because he's also playing Mafia with MTV. He's playing Mafia on MTV after us. So when he doesn't have that, then me and Sohail can also pair up. He's a good player. And most of all, he's an entertaining player. Like the way he gives you instructions are
आप करो। तैयार हो
क्या हो गया इसको, क्या हो गया इसको आज,
तैयार होके
क्या हो गया तुमको आज? Sohail is also here. Abhiraj, I'll have to ask him if he plays PUBG. If he plays PUBG, then that would probably be the funniest stream that you guys have ever seen, because that guy is hilarious. That guy is hilarious. I was seeing an episode of Ace of Space yesterday, और मैंने वो एपिसोड देखा जहां पर हमारे गोट्स आ गए थे घर के अंदर. एंड अभिराज इज जस्ट अ फनी गाय. पबजी नेम पता लग जाएगा बहुत जल्द, कुछ ही टाइम है. क्या लाए हो अभी?
Sir, how can I play PUBG? I have a lot of money.
She is just like, what is wrong with you? Divya, come here.
What?
Come here, give me your phone.
I have to escort him.
Yeah, you'll escort him later. Come here. Why are you watching my live?
Because I want to see where Buddha Baba is going.
No.
I want to see where Buddha Baba is going.
No.
Okay, you concentrate on the live.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
When you and Divya getting married? अभी यार लॉकडाउन खत्म नहीं हो रहा, तुम क्या पूछ रहे हो? करेंगे eventually यार. Still 25 years old, man. Still 25 years old. All right. I'm really excited for this. This is my first proper stream where I am like the guy, like you'll be watching the game from my perspective. So I'm really excited for that. मैंने बाकी भी stream करी लोगों के साथ, but वो मेरे perspective से नहीं हो पाया था. And I just play a funny game. I like to have fun. I like to dance in the game because I can't dance in real life. All right. The stream is going to be live. Wait.
आज डिनर में यही है. खा लो.
All right, guys. Head on Facebook. Watch the live. Watch the stream. I hope you enjoy it. And follow MTV India. Keep the notifications on so you can get to know how you can play PUBG with me and be in my squad and on the video call. Okay? Head over to Facebook right now. See you guys.